Hey, it's Lindsay with WTI. You know, they say the simple things in life bring you the greatest joy. That is definitely the case with this 3-piece strainer set from Gourmet Easy. I can't wait to tell you why I love this strainer set. Let me show you. You can strain just about anything with these strainers and they are going to hold up great. I love that we have 2 sizes and that you can use it for just about anything. I do like the 2 little tabs that they have. It's easy to put on a pot or on a bowl, easy to strain. My favorite part though is that nothing gets stuck in these little crevices. Right there it keeps clean. A lot of my other ones did not, and that would drive me crazy. If you're looking for one that does sifted flour, it has that too. The smaller one does really well. You can see how much it kept out of the sifted flour. Here's a before and after. You can see it really did a good job of sifting and making it very fine. This is the strainer for cans. I was so excited about this. I thought it was really great. It kept all the water out. It did not fall off. It fit the can really well, and you just pop it off and you're ready to go. Super easy. I also love that they're dishwasher safe. It makes it easy to keep them clean. So if you're looking for the perfect strainer set, that would be this one from Gourmet Easy, but that's just my point of view.